Hello students, today we are going to discuss is about Twitter marketing, under which the particular topic, how is Twitter different, how is Twitter different than that of other forms of digital marketing. So there are plentiful of features that makes Twitter different from other platforms. They are as follows. Anyone can, one of them is anyone can follow anyone, and second is reach and speed, third is 140 character limit, and fourth one is create your list. So these are the features that makes particularly we can say Twitter marketing different than that of other digital marketing networks. So let us discuss about them one by one. First one is anyone can follow anyone. Twitter is not a two-way communication platform like other social networks such as Facebook. So under Facebook, as we know that without the permission of any person, we cannot access the what is posted by that particular person. So in Twitter, anyone can see the tweeting, whatever is tweeted by anyone like this. So it operates on simple rule. Anyone can follow anyone. It can help businesses to find their potential customers by understanding the trends or by just following their target segments. So in Twitter, every tweet arrives at every follower's feed, unlike the filter of Facebook's EdgeRank. So anyone can follow to anyone and anyone can reach to anyone, particularly it is here in Twitter, which is possible, while it is not possible in another what we can say form of digital marketing. So it makes it different than that of other forms. Then second is reach and speed. Opinions are stronger on Twitter as users can access any tweet. So users can access any tweet in the sense that there is the limit to access the people's opinions is particularly we can say there is no limit. We can get the opinions of as many as people which is possible under the Twitter, while in other what we can say digital form only the limited to whom we are joining and to who are joining with us, and accordingly we can get access of their opinion, while under Twitter opinions are stronger because users can access any tweet. It also spreads faster due to features like retweets. So retweets feature ને ધ્યાનમાં રાખી અને આપણે એમ કહી શકીએ કે it also spreads faster. It means that the spreading of the message is faster than that of any other media. Thus, it is important to reward loyalists and pacify those who are disgruntled. So we can, according to the loyalty, according to particular we can say loyalty of the customers or followers particularly, we can reward them. Means we can give them particularly what we can say particular offers like this. Then next is 140 character limit. This is also one of the feature of Twitter, that 140 character limit. In this era, people are time starved. Means no one has a time, no one has a more time, particularly you can say a limited time is there, and the work is too much. So in this era, people are time starved. Users do not want others to ramble on and on. हम किसी को घुमा नहीं सकते, यहाँ से यहाँ वहाँ एक ही बात रिपीट भी नहीं कर सकते और ज़्यादा कुछ लिख भी नहीं सकते मैसेज में, ऐसा यहाँ पे कहने की बात है. Because the users or what we can say followers or any person has a limited time nowadays. Also, people can always read the tweet, and if they are interested, they can click on a hyperlink or research further on the topic. So the particular you can say tweeting message is limited to 140 character, but what here particularly I would like to highlight is that we are required to tweet as short as message is possible, and if we want to the followers or users to let inform more, then we are required to provide a hyperlink or other what you can say research further on the topic. So not here that images, links and username at the end of tweets are not included in the 140 characters count. So whatever 140 character count is there, whatever images, links and username we are putting is not what we can say counted there. So it is one of the also benefit for users, or what we can say for the users or of Twitter marketing, particularly Twitter platform. Then fourth feature is create your list. Users can organize the followers into lists and can create a separate list for customers, potential customers, etc. So whoever are the people who follows the company or brand, the company can able to, or user can particularly able to organize their followers as per their what we can say as per their wish to the, or as per the their specified categories to the followers. So this list allows one to see the tweets from list members as a separate timeline and help the user to function better regarding follow-ups, actions, etc. So as the what we can say followers are segmented among different groups, then we can able to send them what we can say customized tweet, and we can receive the customized tweets from this particular groups within our timeline also. So these are the what we can say four features that makes the Twitter different than that of other forms of digital marketing. Now we are going to discuss about the building a content strategy. As we know very well that for any digital marketing strategy or marketing tool particularly, or form of digital marketing, we are required to use a content which is most attractive to the users. So it is important for brands to plan a content strategy that attracts new followers and keeps them engaged over time. So our object as a brand or company is only particularly our object is to attract the new customers and make them retain with us. So for that there are two ways. First one is we are required to use the best practices. So below are, and the second is particularly a Twitter calendar. So let us discuss about the first way to build a strongest, particularly you can say to build an effective content strategy. So below are some of the best practices that brands can follow to achieve their goal. So let us discuss them one by one. First is drive participation. Brands should try to engage followers by encouraging them to retweet, reply, or favorite one's tweet. So we can able to what we can say drive participation in the sense that brands can able to make followers engage by encouraging them about retweeting the message, or what we can say replying the message, or what we can say uh, liking the or liking one's tweet like this. Once the brand has built some rapport with their followers, they can introduce some offers or promotions and motivate followers to take some actions such as clicking on a hyperlink or registering on the websites. So as soon as what we can say we can as soon as brand develop the rapport with their followers, they can able to able to introduce them some offers, they can able to promote able to do promotions or and also able to motivate followers for what particularly for clicking on the hyperlink or registering to our website, so that accordingly we can communicate with them and they can able to get the more information about our brands, and by this way they can be more engaged with us. Then next is let let your personality shine. Brands should be authentic on Twitter and appear friendly and human without being too formal. uh, uh, in particularly what we can say Twitter, any brand is not required to be formal, not required to particularly we can say too formal. They can behave like a friend with their followers and they can provide the authentic data to them. They should use wit and humor to connect with the audience. So by this way they can able to build an effective content strategy. This is also one of the best practice. Then third one is test and learn. Instead of waiting for a perfect plan, Brands must try out things and see what works and what doesn't. They should also ask for feedback from their followers and express gratitude for their inputs. So test and learn in the sense particularly here that brand can able to try without deciding about the without make the uh, plan about a particular content. They can able to test it under Twitter, and by this way they can able to check that what works and what doesn't work. Means what is what we can say happening future whether that particular what we can say content is attracting the people or not. And they should also ask for feedback. Means brands can ask the feedback to the what we can say followers, and they are required to appreciate them, means appreciate followers, and also we can say be gratitude to uh, or be grateful to them. हमें उसका आभार व्यक्त करना चाहिए कि उसने हमें रिस्पॉन्स फीडबैक दिया, उसके हिसाब से भी हमें कुछ उसको अप्रिसिएट करना चाहिए और उसको थैंक्स कहना चाहिए, लाइक दिस. देन नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ वन इज get visual and creative. When developing tweet content, it is important to use images, photos, videos, and GIFs. So, at the time of developing content, we are required to follow this one of the best practice that, as we know that visual is three times more effective than that of any textual message. So, tweets that contain pictures and videos drive three times higher engagement rate than tweets with copy only. So we just see in this figure 7.10 that we are required to put such type of or use such type of images for our tweeting message particularly we can say. Then next is keep it short. Tweets with less than 50 characters drive the highest engagement. If our message is less of its content less than 50 characters, then engagement rate is high. And that is why it is said that to apply this strategy, that means to apply this or apply this practice, that keep it short, means keep our message as short as possible. Brands can keep their content under 100 characters. 100 characters की लिमिट में हम मैसेज रख सकते हैं, ब्रांड है वो अपना कंटेंट रख सकता है, रख सकते हैं. So they should consider limiting call to action and clickable objects to focus response. Try to convey a single message in a tweet which will have an impact. So brands are required to do particularly to follow this particular best practices that is related to the keep it short. They are required to put the clickable object. They are required to limit the message by call to action related any clicking objects should be put by them, and particularly by providing the image. So the best practice is to use one hashtag, one call to action, and one image. So at the time of what we can say following the best practices like keep it short, we can keep our message or text message particularly we can say as short as possible with including one hashtag keyword, then a call to action related message, and means particularly you can say hyperlink or an image. Then next is entertain or inform. This age-old ad tactics plays well on Twitter too. Why it is called particularly we can say age-old tactic, because it has been used from many years, since many years in our TV commercials also, and particularly in our print ads also. That if we entertain our customers and inform our customers, then it works well. So brands can be funny, surprising, and tell compelling stories, and people will respond. Twitter is a great place to educate the customers too. One can share product tips, how to, and other information that could be valuable to their consumers. So consumers को जो valuable लगता है ऐसी कोई information हमें provide करनी चाहिए, ऐसा how to use के हिसाब से कुछ message provide करना चाहिए, और we are required to give the important tips related to our products use like this. So it is as shown in figure 7.11, that how to get started with Periscope 360, which is one of the product of what we can say Twitter. It is rated to educate the customers, educate the followers who get this information in through their search options also. Then next is share exclusive access. Brands get to go places and meet people that regular folks cannot. रेगुलर जो पीपल होते हैं, बराबर, रेगुलर जो पर्सन्स होते हैं पर्टिकुलरली अंडर ट्विटर, दे कैन नॉट डू लाइक दिस, बट ब्रांड्स कैन गेट टू गो प्लेसेस एंड मीट पीपल. ब्रांड्स है वो लोग को मिल सकते हैं, अलग अलग प्लेस पे जा सकते हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं. सो मेनी पीपल टर्न ऑन ट्विटर टू गेट क्लोजर टू सेलिब्रिटीज, टीम्स एंड इवेंट्स दे केयर अबाउट. काफ़ी सारे लोग वो क्या करते हैं, ट्विटर में जो सेलिब्रिटीज़ के हिसाब से कुछ उसको माहिती मिलती है तो उसके लिए उसके हिसाब से सर्च करते हैं और वीडियो देखते हैं या मैसेज देखते हैं. टीम्स के हिसाब से, पर्टिकुलरली स्पोर्ट्स टीम के हिसाब से भी हम कह सकते हैं. और इवेंट्स ऐसा कुछ हो कि जिसके बारे में वो केयर करते हैं, तो ऐसा मैसेज है वो कौन क्रिएट कर सकता है, ब्रांड्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, इंडिविजुअल पर्सन वो क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते. तो शेयर एक्सक्लूसिव एक्सेस, तो उसका एक्सक्लूसिव एक्सेस हमें प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए हमारे फॉलोवर्स को. सो ब्रांड्स कैन हेल्प मेक दैट कनेक्शन एंड शेयर द एक्सेस दे एंजॉय विद देयर ऑडियंस. देन नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस इज फिलैंथ्रोपी. मीन्स व्हाट वी कैन से परोपकार, उसको हम परोपकार भी कह सकते हैं. सो ट्विटर इज ए गुड वेन्यू टू रैली पीपल फॉर अ कॉज. अगर कोई अच्छे काम के लिए पीपल को गैदर करना है तो उसके लिए ट्विटर बेस्ट है. और टू डोनेट मनी टू ए चैरिटी, चैरिटी के लिए मनी डोनेट करने के हिसाब से भी ट्विटर बेस्ट है. मीन्स इस तरह से मनी कलेक्ट करने के लिए ट्विटर बेस्ट है. ऑथेंटिसिटी इज ऑलवेज इज क्रूशियल. ऑथेंटिसिटी का बहुत महत्व है. इसका मतलब ऑथेंटिक होना चाहिए. जो भी हम मैसेज रखते हैं, जो भी ब्रांड मैसेज रखते हैं, वो ऑथेंटिक होने चाहिए. Brands must be careful that fundraising efforts on Twitter are not perceived as misleading or self-serving. जो भी फंड के हिसाब से हम रख रहे हैं तो वो किसी को मिसलीड नहीं करना चाहिए, उसके हिसाब से उसे श्योर होना चाहिए. तो किस तरह से श्योर हो सकते हैं? सपोज वॉट एवर फंड रेजिंग दे हैव कलेक्टेड विद द यूज ऑफ ट्विटर, हाउ दे हैव यूज्ड शुड बी प्रूफ्ड एंड शुड दे ब्रांड्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू गिव provide the proof related to that the use of this fundraising. Means use of the fund which is raised by brand with the use of Twitter. तो उसका प्रूफ उसे बताना चाहिए. Then next is promotion. Offers, deals and contests have a place on Twitter, especially when they are part of a larger varied content mix. तो प्रमोशन के लिए भी ट्विटर है वो बेस्ट है. तो प्रमोशन के हिसाब से भी हम प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं ट्विटर में, विच इज ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस. यू जस्ट सी इन दिस 7.12 फिगर, weekend bonanza like this. No promo code needed. It is what we can say given by Umart. Then next is use relevant hashtags. Hashtags will help you in expanding the tweet's reach into the relevant conversation. Twitter recommends limiting the hashtags to 1 or 2. So with the use of hashtags, we can able to reach to the followers who can get the relevant information because we have used hashtags, which is one of the feature of Twitter, feature which is providing by Twitter marketing, means by Twitter. Then use polls. Asking questions via poll will help brands to interact with their audience, bring them into the conversation and understand their opinions. तो यूज पॉल्स के हिसाब से हम क्या हमारे कंज्यूमर्स के साथ इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं, कन्वर्सेशन कर सकते हैं और उसके ओपिनियन भी हम ले सकते हैं. So we have seen let us see or in figure 13, figure 7.13. It is of UMART. Did you know that Twitter allows you to tweet polls now? Like this. So this is what one of the way through which we can able to get polls from our followers. Then next is ask for what you want. Brands should increase their reach by explicitly asking for retweets, replies, favorites or mentions. So ask what you want in the sense that with the use of Twitter, brands can able to ask explicits for any retweet or explicits for replies like this, because such type of facility is available under Twitter. The next is include a clear call to action. If advertisers want people to click on a URL, then it is not recommended to use any hashtag, mentions or photos that could detract from the link as shown in figure 7.14. So we are required to use a clear, what we can say, we are required to include a clear call to action. We are not required to particularly it is not recommended to use any hashtag, mentions or photos. So we just see over here, the election is less than a month away. Find your polling place and ballot information quickly with Google search. So it is just call to action. By clicking on this particular link, you are required to take your or we are required to do your action particularly, you can say. So at that time it is not feasible, it is not good to recommend to use any hashtag or mention like this, because clear call to action is required sometimes, and we can able to use it with the use of Twitter. Then next is seize the moment. Tap into popular discussions around cultural, seasonal and industry events. So by this way we can able to seize the moment, and by this way we can able to provide the related information to our followers, and we can get more engagement of our followers. Then create a sense of urgency. Leverage Twitter's real-time nature to inspire user actions. For instance, limit the availability of the offer to a specific period, such as 24 hours a week like this. So create a sense of urgency is possible and by using the what we can say Twitter, that we are mentioning some message like that felt by the users or followers, that urgency is there to take some action. To suppose here is mentioned that offer is for a limited or specific time period, say for example as 24 hours or particularly a week. So within 24 hour or within a week particularly, whatever urgency we have put in the message with the use of Twitter, accordingly the followers are required to take action. So this is what all about the best practices under the building an effective content strategy in Twitter at the time of using Twitter. I think you have got it. Thank you all.